Good morning students. Today we will start a new chapter 8, comparing quantity. In comparing quantity in 3 exercise, that we first exercise for 8.1 is a 2 topics. First is a ratio and second is a percentage. Okay, and the first question it is a depend on the ratio. The some very important point ki ratio are same unit. It's mean suppose you find the ratio between two quantity and first quantity will be meter and second quantity will be kilometer. So not write the ratio between meter to upon kilometer. First you change in this is the meter, then after you find the ratio will meter to meter. Okay, an example to then kilometer to kilometer is the same unit. You find the simply find the ratio, but in the unit in paise and rupees. So first you change the rupees in paise and find the ratio between paise to rupees. Okay, here the first question, find the ratio of the followings. In the first question, speed of the cycle is 15 km per hour and second is speed of scooter 30 km per hour. It means you find the speed between cycle to scooter. Okay, you write now we speed of a cycle is 15 km per hour and speed of a scooter is 30 km per hour. Okay, then hence ratio of speed of cycle and cycle to scooter. Okay, it's mean there 15 ratio 30. It means you write the 15 upon 30, you cancel is 1 by 2. It means your ratio is 1:2. It means your answer is this ratio between speed of cycle and scooter is 1:2. Okay, now next is the question number B, 5 meter and 10 kilometer. Either the first quantity is the meter and second quantity will be kilometer. So don't write, you have not write the directly between ratio between meter to kilometer because the ratio between same unit. Okay, so first you change kilometer to meter. So then we let 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Your quantity is 10. Then we write 10 kilometer is equal to 10 into 1000 is equal to 10,000 meter. Okay, then write the simply ratio is equal to 5 meter upon 10,000 meter is 5 upon 10,000 and cancel 5 1 is 1, 5 2 is 10 is 200,000. When we 1 upon 2000 is equal to 1:2000. Your answer is 1:2000. Okay, simply third question. This third question is 50 paise to 5 rupees. So first will be change you 5 rupees in paise. Then we write rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. Okay. So you write the rupees of 5 into 100 is equal to 500 paise. Okay. Then after simply you write is ratio is 50 paise upon 500 paise. It means 50 upon 500. 50 upon 500 after cancellation is 1 upon 20. It's mean 1 ratio 20. Okay. That question number second, convert to following ratio to the percentage. Percentage, you understand that the sign of the percentage, this type of sign of percentage. Percentage means that 1 upon 100. Okay. So that first question is 3:4. 3:4 means a percentage. Change into percentage is very simple. 3 upon 4. Okay. 3 upon 4 multiply 100%. 3 upon 4 multiply 100%. That write the 3 upon 4 multiply 100%. 4 is 25 and 3 into 25 is 75%. 75%. And second is question is ratio is given, that is 2:3. 2:3. 2:3. It's mean 2 upon 3 into 100%. 2 upon 3 is equal to 100%. Is it 2 upon 3 into 100% is after multiplication is 200 upon 3%. Okay. Now 200 will divided by 3 and 2 6 are 18. After subtraction is 2 again to 0 and 6 is 18 and 2. You write the 66 2 upon 3. Okay. So here is right, the answer is 66 is 2 upon 3%. Okay. There are two questions. Suppose one extra question is 4 ratio 5. 4 ratio 5 is 4 upon 5 into 100% and 4 upon 5 into 100% is 20 is 80%. Question number 3. Question number 3 is 72% of 25 students are good in the mathematics, and it's mean the total number of students is 25 and out of 25 is 72% is good in the mathematics, and how many are not good in the mathematics. It's here find ki how many students are not good in the mathematics. Okay. So you have try let the number of student are good in mathematics okay. Good in mathematics, it's mean 72% of 25. It's mean the total number of students is 25. Total number of students is 25. Okay. Then is number of good student in mathematics. Number of good in mathematics students is 72% of 25. 72% of 75. Okay, it's mean 72 upon 100 into 25. Okay, 72, then write after 72 is 4 and here 1. Okay, that means 72 upon 100 into 25. 25 1 25, 4, and 4 is 18. It's mean the number of students is 18 are good in the mathematics. Okay, so you will find number of students not good in mathematics is equal to 25 minus 18 is equal to 7. It means 7 students are not in the good. Okay, then after you find the percentage of not good student. Okay, so you have now percentage of not good in mathematics is how 7 upon 25. 7 upon 25 because total number of student is 25 and out of 7 students are not good in the mathematics and out of 25% into 100%, then it is 4 times and 7 into 4% is equal to 28%. It is mean 28% students are not in the good and number of student is 7 here not good in the mathematics and 18 student is good in the mathematics. Question number 4. A football team win 10 matches out of the total number of matches. It means they are not given the total number of matches. Next, if they are winning percentage of the 40%, is given percentage was 40%, then how many matches did they play in all? Means in this question is total number of matches is not given that, but is number of win matches is 10 is given that and number of percentage will be given winning percentage. Okay, so that so first will be let the total number of matches is x. Okay, total number of matches is x. Then be according to question means the 40% of matches is winning. It's mean the 40% of x. 40% x means the number of total percentage of x is 10. 40% of x is 10. Write the 40 into 40% means 40 upon 100 into x is equal to 10. After multiplication 40x upon 100 is equal to 10 upon 1. After cross multiplication here write 40x is equal to 10 into 100. Okay, 10 into 100 is a next is x is equal to 1000 upon 40, 0 0 cancel, and they will 100 is 25 times. It means x is equal to 25. It means total number of matches is 25. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is, if Chameli had a 600 rupees left after the spending 75% for her money. After the spending 75% of her money, she is left to 600 rupees, and how much will we say had in the beginning? Okay, total money he is spent of in total money 75% of total money, and after spending he is saved in 600 rupees. Okay, so then write, let her money, okay, in the beginning be is equal to x. Okay, it means total money is x, and according to question is x is total minus is 75% of x is equal to 600. Okay, suppose is total 100 rupees, okay, and is 75% is 75 rupees. So then after she had is 25 rupees, okay, and left after 75% is, so 100 minus 100 of 75%, 100 minus 100 of 100 minus 75% of 100 is 25. Okay, so then x minus 75% of x is a 600, and solution, the x 75 upon 100 into x is equal to 600. Okay, then x is equal to, sorry, is next step is x minus is equal to x minus 75 upon 100 75x is equal to 600. Okay, x minus 3 upon 4 x is equal to 600. Okay, after this step, clear that after LCM of 1 and 4 is 4, multiplication, then after minus is 3x is equal to 600 upon 1 is 4x minus 3x is equal to x upon 4 is equal to 600 upon 1. Okay, then after cross multiplication, x into 1 and 4 into 600 is equal to 24,400. It means that the final answer is total money, a total beginning money is 2,400 rupees. Question number 6. If 60% people in the city like a cricket, 30% of the football like a football, and remaining like the other games. Okay, in a city, some people are like a cricket is the 60%, and 30% will like the football, and remaining will like the other games. Then what is the percentage of the people like other game? If the total number of people is 550 lakhs, then we find the actual number of like the each type of game. First you find ki percentage of like a other game, percentage of other game. So you write that number of people who like is cricket is 60%. Okay, and number of people who like football is 30%. Gunjan, please. And number of people who like other game is equal to is 100 minus 60 plus 30 is all of a percentage. Okay, it is the 100 minus 90 is equal to 10%. It means they like like other games will 10% of the people. Okay, then we write a number of people who like cricket, like the cricket is equal to 60% of how many? 50 lakh. 50 lakh is okay. Then write 60% means the 60 upon 100 into 50 lakh, 20, the 20 cancel, and 5 3 is 30 is its mean is equal to 30 lakh. It means the number of people is 30 lakhs people is like a cricket. Okay, and second will that number of people who like football, okay, it's mean it is 30% of 50 lakh. Okay, that means 30 upon 100 into 50 lakh, 10 10 10 10 into is a 15 lakh people like a football. And say similarly you find the number of people who like other game is only 10% because it is the 10% will like the other games. Okay, then of 50 lakh, it's mean 10 upon 100 into 50 lakh. Okay, 0 0 0 0, it's mean only for 5 lakh people like a other game. Okay, now this is exercise